this is Town 10 Company for another apartment visit. So we're gonna start it by the room. A big bed, 2 places. There is one big commodity when you can put your clothes. Also just on my right, one desk. This is the bathroom. Okay, let's continue by the living room and the kitchen. Just on my right, this is the entrance door. This apartment gets an elevator. So this is the living room. You have television, Wi-Fi connection, a big sofa, little table, directly connected with a balcony. You have a great view on some green plants. You have also a view on the lake, the street. Alright, so the last thing, the kitchen, with many furnitures and a washing machine just over here. Alright, that's it for this apartment. Thank you.